Welcome back to Automotor. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that blends power, comfort, and modern styling into one incredible ride. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this bike promises a thrilling yet comfortable experience on the road. The 2025 Vulcan S carries its signature aggressive cruiser look with a few modern upgrades. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, a low-slung frame, and a bold front end give it a commanding presence. Kawasaki has refined the LED headlamp design, making it sharper and more stylish, while the blacked-out engine and frame add a premium touch. With a variety of factory color options and customization possibilities, this bike can be tailored to match your personal style. The Vulcan S is designed for ultimate rider comfort. Its signature Ergo-Fit system allows riders of different heights to adjust the seat, handlebar, and foot peg positions for a personalized fit. The low seat height ensures easy handling, while the well-padded saddle provides excellent support for long rides. The digital instrument panel now features enhanced visibility, displaying essential ride information with clarity, even under direct sunlight. At the heart of the 2025 Vulcan S lies a refined 649cc parallel twin engine, delivering smooth yet responsive power. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the throttle response remains precise and predictable. The 6-speed transmission shifts seamlessly, while the lightweight frame enhances maneuverability. Kawasaki has also improved the suspension for better ride stability, making this cruiser an excellent choice for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S continues to stand out as one of the best mid-range cruisers in the market. With its combination of power, comfort, and customizable ergonomics, it caters to a wide range of riders. Whether you're looking for a stylish city cruiser or a reliable highway companion, this bike delivers on all fronts. Let us know what you think about the Vulcan S in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Automotor for more exciting motorcycle reviews.